Changing the phone number on your Shopify account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information quickly. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to modify. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your account. Step 3. Select General. In the Settings menu, click on General. This section contains your store's basic information, including your contact details. Step 4. Update phone number. Locate the field for your phone number. Delete the existing number and enter your new phone number. Ensure that the format is correct and that you include any necessary country codes. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, scroll down and click on the Save button to apply the changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated. Now your phone number is successfully changed on your Shopify account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Shopify support for assistance.